seat. Oxygen flow check.
Falcon 1, clear for takeoff, 15 runway.
Copy. Rolling. 18,000 फुट क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ, क्लाउड लेयर के ऊपर आ गए। देखो सामने K2 है, सूरज उसके साथ।
हेलमेट एंड ऑक्सीजन मास्क के साथ मैं SF-16 को उड़ा रहा हूँ। हम 27,000 फीट पर हैं और बिल्कुल सामने के 2 है।
Falcon 1 radar पे क्लियर, लेवल 270 बरकरार रखें।
जीरा दुनिया
Falcon 1 winds 40 knots from the west. Maintain separation.
Roger that. Banking left around the west ridge. Natural gas cliffs, sheer walls of rock and ice. No wonder they call it the Savage Mountain.
Out over the Baltoro Glacier now. Altitude 27,000, K2 dead ahead. Banking left to skim the north face. Look at that wall of rock and ice. Absolutely unreal. Summit's just off the right wing, only a couple hundred meters out. World's most dangerous mountain. And we're
Secure oxygen good. There she is. K2. Control Falcon 1. Visual on summit 25,000 smooth air. Banking left to hug the ridgeline. Glaciers look like rivers of glass down there. Afterburner.
Two off the nose, holding 25,000 feet. Light top. Look at that face. Solid rock straight through the clouds. Banking left to skirt the ridge. Keeping clear of the downdrafts. What a view.
And steady. Get to dead ahead. Altitude 28,400. Air is smooth, but the ridge is throwing some chop. Pushing up a touch. 450 knots. Look at that wall of rock. You can feel the